This is the iRobot Roomba 692. It has a very effective 3-stage cleaning system and impressive smart technology. I've been using it for a few weeks now, but I've used a lot of the top competitor products as well. The Roomba 692 has been out for a couple of years now, so how does it stack up in 2023? I found out some interesting things that could actually make this product perfect for some people. Inside the Roomba 692 box, we get the vacuum itself, its home-based charging station, and the owner's guide. Setting up the Roomba 692 is straightforward. Just plug in the charging base, settle the Roomba onto it, and once you see the solid green indicator, it's charged and ready to roll. Unlike some models, there's no remote control here. Control this through the iRobot Home app. Once you download the app, just connect to the Wi-Fi system. The app is very user-friendly and lets you start cleaning, set auto-cleaning schedules, and even monitor the cleaning history. One standout feature of the Roomba 692 is its 3-stage cleaning system. It agitates, brushes, and suctions dirt really well, and it's pretty impressive how it can go smoothly between hard floors and carpets. The dual multi-surface brushes grab dirt from carpets and hard floors, and an edge-sweeping brush takes care of corners and edges. I love that the Roomba 692 has voice control through Google Assistant or Alexa. It's a real plus for the convenience factor of the vacuum. Just tell it to start cleaning and it gets the job done. The adaptive height adjustment on the Roomba makes it able to navigate between carpet and tiles or hardwood without any issue. And yes, it does go under the furniture. It's 3.54 inches high, so it navigates underneath most things quite well. It has a sensor system called Dirt Detect. It can identify concentrated areas of dirt and then prompt the robot to clean more thoroughly in those zones. It did a great job on the high traffic areas by my front door. I was impressed. Navigating around the obstacles is efficient because it uses a group of advanced sensors. These make sure there isn't too much bumping into furniture. And the Cliff Detect feature keeps it from making surprise excursions down the stairs. The Roomba 692 app is where personalized cleaning schedules are set up. It can be scheduled once per day for up to 7 days, so it can do different things based on specific daily activity levels. Also, it can be set up to automatically start cleaning when people are leaving and stop when they're coming home so that it never is even seen working. The Roomba 692 takes scheduling one step further with schedule suggestions, based on things like seasonal or daily cleaning patterns. But I found the schedule functions of the 692 just fine for me. The Roomba 692 keeps getting smarter too. It's always receiving innovations in its software with the latest tech and features thanks to iRobot OS. Another plus with this robot vac is running time. It has up to 90 minutes of cleaning per charge, which is enough for most places, especially apartments or medium-sized homes. And when it runs low on battery, it automatically returns it to its docking station to recharge. The Roomba 692 is designed to reduce the amount of hands-on maintenance needed. The brushes, for instance, are designed to resist hair tangles, a huge plus for pet owners. The filter effectively captures most household dust, which helps make for cleaner discharge air. Unlike the Roomba 694, there isn't an extra filter included with the 692, and that accounts for some of the price difference between the products. The iRobot Roomba 692 is a really impressive cleaning tool that is still very popular in 2023 for good reason. It has an effective 3-stage cleaning system, adaptive sensors like Dirt Detect, and intuitive app control. It has voice control via Google Assistant or Alexa, which is an incredible convenience. It's made to simplify cleaning, adapt to your routines, and provide a hands-off cleaning experience. It has a solid 90-minute battery life, is able to tackle various floor types easily, and has simple, user-friendly maintenance too. Well, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys next time.